Hello and welcome to this part 2 video on multiplying and dividing rational expressions. This is the second example on dividing rational expressions. If you have not watched the first video, please watch the first video to see the steps that we're going to take and then also to kind of get the concept included as well. So here's example 2, and the first thing that we will do for this problem again is to rewrite this problem. So I have x squared plus 14x plus 49 over x squared. Some people like to go ahead and just right away when they're rewriting this, they'll start to factor. So you can do that if you want. So I'll put step 1, rewrite. Step 2, factor. And looking at our next piece here, I have x squared plus 2x in my numerator, so I'll factor out an x times x plus 2. And here, x squared plus 9x plus 14, that would be x plus 7, x plus 2. If you do decide to take this route where you just factor right away, please make sure that you are careful in how you factor and what you actually do. You can make errors if you don't chunk this into your own steps. So we have x plus 7 over x squared times x plus 2 times x plus 7 times x plus 2. So I want to go ahead and remind you excluded values. Here's where I'll pick apart my excluded values. And I get these from these values here. So all three of those pieces will give me my excluded values. Here I have x squared, so that implies that x cannot be 0. Here I have x plus 7 cannot be 0. That implies x cannot be negative 7. X plus 2 gives us an excluded value of negative 2. And then here I have repeated excluded values. Another 0 and another negative 2. So I'm not rewriting them because they already appear. But just know that you will have to utilize the factors here from the numerator of your, I guess your divisor. Okay, so I have factored. Here's where I will reduce. I'll cancel an x and an x. Will give me x to the first. Here, x plus 2's cancel, and then x plus 7 cancels. Okay, so what I'm left over with when I multiply straight across, multiplication, is x plus 7 over just x. Okay, and that is it. That is our quotient. The last thing that we have to do is include our excluded values, of course. So we have where x is not equal to negative 7, negative 2, or 0. Okay, that is the second example.